evening and welcome to WIGV Nightly News at 6. For some time now, we've reported on the volatile nature of the nation's economy. Its effects are widespread and being felt on a local level. College students are just some of the people that are taking steps to cut back, at times making it more difficult to attend an institution of higher education. But local college student Cornwall Wareham decided to get creative.
I've sold my blood, my platelets, my bone marrow, my saliva, my hair, my toenails, and I'm currently in the process of saving my sweat. I've heard the Physiological Studies Foundation will pay $10 for a full bottle. I have a hard time with math and I have to pay a personal tutor to help me out. Do you have a few bucks I can borrow?
That is sure an inspirational story. Kudos to you, Cornwall. Speaking of higher education, this next story comes to us from Utah Valley University. Rumor has it that the faculty and staff at UVU are voluntarily donating money back to the institution. Let's go to our investigative reporter, Carla Turnkey, on the scene. Carla, what can you tell us about this?
Well, Todd, after hearing rumors about this phenomenon from several unidentified sources, we decided to get to the core of the issue. We did find some individuals who were willing to talk to us, and here is what they had to say. Excuse me, sir. It has come to our attention that you are donating some of your hard-earned money to UVU. Do you mind telling us why you would do such a thing?
No comment. No comment.
You earned that money. You worked hard for it. Why would you just give it back to the school?
Look, it's not just going back to the school, okay? It's going exactly where I want it to go and doing what I want it to do. I know there's a need, and I want to make a difference and make sure that need is met. It helps the students. That's all I'm going to tell you. Now leave me alone.
How does it help students?
I want my money to go for a professional digital editing system that students can use on their projects. That's it.
Excuse me, may we ask you a couple of questions?
Did you have an appointment?
Is it true that employees are donating their own money back to the university?
Yes, of course. The funds they give go to student scholarships, to departments, divisions, even student tutoring. Am I on TV?
I hear that you think you make so much money that you feel you ought to give some of it back to the school. Is that true?
No. I mean, I do make loads and loads of money, but I donate to the school because I want to help, because I see a need and I know I can make a difference. I know that some programs need extra funding, such as the We Care Center, which provides affordable daycare for students and employees here on campus.
There you have it. All the rumors have been confirmed, and I can see why people feel so strongly about donating back to the school. You too can take the next step and make a one-time donation or donate by payroll deduction. Just complete the form you received through intercampus mail and return it with your donation to the advancement office. Back to you, Todd.
One question, Carla. Who decides where the money goes to help?
Glad you asked. The money goes wherever the employee decides they want it to go, even back to their own department if they so choose. Employees see the needs that are not being met every day, and they have a real good idea where their money would help best.
Thank you, Carla. Even small gifts add up and help bring about change. You too can get one step closer to making a difference. All are encouraged to do so. We now have some breaking news. We go back to the student Cornwall Wareham, whose situation has greatly improved. Some are calling it a miracle.
I was just told that I received funding for a tutor this semester. I'm so excited! I'm so happy!
That's absolutely wonderful. Kudos to you, Cornwall. Kudos to you. We'll be back at 10. I'm Todd Hanson reporting for WIGV News. See you tonight.